standing here and what you see. My back is bending low, but my spirit's flying. Nice dive. Nice dive. Oh, Christ. Nice turn signal. Stop sign there before you be sure you stop for it. Thank you. I'm gonna judge by your speedy velocity that you're gonna ignore the stop sign like he did. No, not really. Okay. She did. Whatever. Grandma. That was sort of a roll, wasn't it? Well, good news. I found my patty pies. I'm very happy now. Until, you know, I get out into traffic. We'll see what happens then. Slow down, Corolla, will ya? Driving with the AirPods in. I'm gonna roll the stop sign. Of course you are, because Corolla. Yeah. Just like to point out, 4-lane road. Nobody's on it really. RAV4 has to be in the left lane. There goes Toyota. Oh, God, damn it, go. Yeah! Body dust. Tailgating douche. You stop breakdancing, dummy. You're an idiot. People are getting on the highway. I think I'll move into the right lane. Third. I need yellow bugs. Jesus! Asshole. Yep. Sorry we're holding you up, you know. BMW direct to left lane. Yes. Move it. Christ's sake. Suck it. Stop sign. You're supposed to run the stop sign. Neither are you. Jesus Christ. Shit. Oh, they're paving. Thank you. They're fucking paving this dump. What are you doing? Oh, for Christ's sakes. What are you doing? Go! Pick a lane and stay in it, you nitwit! For Christ's sake. I think he's wearing his mask as a fucking mask across his eyes. Yeah. Do you mind? Jesus Christ, douchebag. And there's a stop sign, and high beams aren't necessary. Here we go again, here we go again. This is the best we ever stop, and here we go again. What are the chances there's actually a cop directing this, because it's a fucking mess. Ah, nice. Yeah. It's a roll. Officer, get the fuck out. I want to get out of here. Friggin' Explorer and come direct traffic. You know, people running the stop signs, rolling the stop signs, whatever. Try with the mask on. Yeah, that's the proper response for an idiot jaywalker. Do you mind? If he gets on Route 1, he's shooting direct to the left lane. Probably the one in front of me, too. No, you did not. Okay. But you're going direct to the left lane. Yes, that I called. Get the fuck out of the right lane if you're not getting out of... Jesus Christ. Route 1, if you're not getting off... You're going to run the stop, right? Okay, and you're going to run the stop. No, you can't run the stop. Yeah. You're on Route 1, don't travel in the right lane because all the friggin' parking lots and shitty on-ramps and off-ramps, and roll the stop over there. Roll the stop over there. Stop here, and I was the first one here, so I'm a-going. You roll it, so what the hell are you doing? Okay. I don't know what the hell that was. Make it fuck behind the stupid door. Nice cutoff. Whoa! Oh, who's planted in the left lane? That's Camry. What a shock. Exit dive. This is an exit dive. Yep, that's an exit dive. Baby. Good turn signals, idiot. And one flying Accord. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, fuck! Yeah. That's what I was gonna do. But I'm not careless and gonna make an exit die when I'm late for my exit. Oh, are we holding you up, Mr. Aston? Are you gonna, yeah. Call this an exit dive too? Yeah, we'll call that an exit dive. Yeah, we'll call that an exit dive. What happened just back there? Was that another exit dive? Call it a lane dive, how's that? A little early for an exit dive, but still. Direct to the left lane! Oh, nice cutoff, Hyundai. Can you shut your fucking light off? Idiot. Deadhead. You don't need the front one on either, motherfucker. You came when I needed a friend. Believed in me through thick and thin. How about a turn signal? And that was not a stop at the stop sign, and neither was that. And that was a red light runner. Nice! Probably an Amazon driver. Yeah. How was that? We're not impressed. Yep. 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 I thought he was tailgating. Last time we were here, Jesus, here we go. You don't change lanes in the construction zone. There's a reason those lines are solid stripes. Are we gonna run the stop sign? Da, 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 da. Yes, he did.